Hey guys, what's up?
What's poppin', everybody? On today's episode, we're gonna make the simple 3-ingredient homemade ice cream. So continue watching this video because everybody loves homemade ice cream. The one that you buy in the store has been in the fridge for how many, maybe years and months. But when the one that you make at home, you just put it in the fridge for one day and you can always taste the difference. So stay tuned, my friends. So guys, before we start making this ice cream, I want to thank all our heroes during this time of harsh need and the world is coming to a halt. Our main heroes are the people on the front line. Our doctors, our nurses, our healthcare workers, our transportation workers, and our agriculture and farm workers. So please guys, don't forget to remember them because they're the ones that are saving lives. So let's get started, guys.
Let's start with the ingredients.
Ingredients, yes. So for homemade ice cream, there's 3 simple ingredients: whipped cream, vanilla essence, and white condensed milk. So we're not gonna make a lot of it. We're just gonna make 1 bottle of whipped cream for the ice cream. So it's pretty simple. I'm gonna put the whipped cream in this container that I got from the dollar store. And then you have to whisk and whisk and whisk until it becomes kind of like a mousse, like a hair mousse. You understand what I mean? So you gotta keep on whisking and whisking and whisking, and then you add these 2 ingredients. So let's get it started, guys. So I went and I purchased this from Walmart. This is a Braun multi-quick 7-in-1 whisker, chopper, everything. This cost me around 80 bucks. You can use any type of whisker, it doesn't matter, but I bought this because there's other stuff I can do with this, like make smoothies and everything like that. So I'm gonna open it now and we're gonna get it started. Just like that. So this Braun whisker, it can make smoothies, it can whisk stuff, it can chop vegetables. So right now I have the whisking part of it. So I'm going to be whisking the whipped cream to make it into kind of like a moussey kind. And then I'm going to add my other 2 ingredients to make ice cream. So let's get started, guys. So this is Dairyland brand. You can get this at Walmart or any type of grocery store. It's pretty common and famous brand of whipped cream. You've got to shake whipped cream always. First we gotta whisk it, then we gotta add the ingredients. And then you gotta
Oh, nice.
Okay, now you gotta whisk it. So you gotta whisk for about maybe 5 minutes. So I'm whisking now. 5 minutes, low speed. Don't wanna go too fast. You gotta keep it at a steady speed. Can't stop. You can make any type of ice cream with any type of flavor, but the 2 simple ingredients are whipped cream and condensed milk. So you can put mango, you can put strawberry, you can put pineapples, whatever you want in your ice cream. I like vanilla ice cream because vanilla ice cream you can put cookies on it and everything, or you can put chocolate syrup or strawberry syrup, and homemade vanilla ice cream is the best. Who would have thought making ice cream at home would be so easy? As you see, it's becoming very moussey. This is the way it's supposed to be. So now we're gonna add a quarter or a half of condensed milk, depending on how much whipped cream you have here. So I have 1 bottle of whipped cream, so I'm gonna add a quarter of condensed milk.
We don't want to make it too sweet.
Too sweet, yeah. Condensed milk is the best. That's enough condensed milk. That's a quarter of condensed milk. And the rest you can use after sometime. Okay. Then you add some vanilla essence. About maybe one of this bottle lid of vanilla essence. That's it. Simple. And then you whisk again. This ice cream becomes a vanilla bean color because of the vanilla essence that we added. It's very rich and very creamy. Easy homemade dessert. If you have any guests and after dinner, I guarantee you they'll try something unique and they'll be like, "What store did you buy it from?" And then when you tell them I made it at home, they'll be like, "Oh my god, give me the recipe too." So guys, our homemade ice cream is ready to be refrigerated for 1 whole night. Look at that vanilla bean color. Trust me, if you guys make this at home, you guys will be always making it because you don't want to buy ice cream from the store, because this tastes way better than ice cream from the store. Okay, so I'll show you how it's done now. You pour it in this container. Any type of container is fine. Just take out all this stuff gently. That's how it looks when it's in the container. And then we put the lid on it and then we refrigerate it for 1 whole night. And we're gonna come back to this 24 hours after. Hey guys, what's up? The vanilla ice cream is finally done, guys. Look at this. Homemade vanilla ice cream. So nice, so easy. You guys this is the best ice cream to enjoy at home, guys. Let me pull out my dish and let's have a bite. Yummy, creamy ice cream. Everybody scream for ice cream. Oh wow, so rich, so creamy. The best you can buy is nothing compared to the ones you can make at home. So guys, please make it at home and try it out. 1 recipe for mine, from Shyans Funtopia. And please leave me a like, and don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe.